just that simple production.
Right now, while your competitors are burning midnight oil on tasks a computer could finish during their coffee break, 2025's smartest entrepreneurs are already 3 moves ahead. Here's what most businesses are missing. AI isn't just about chatbots and fancy tech demos. It's about doing in minutes what used to take hours. Think customer research that used to take weeks, content creation, data analysis, even strategic planning. While others are still playing checkers, you could be playing chess
with a supercomputer as your teammate. The secret sauce? Most entrepreneurs are either terrified of AI or think it's too complicated. But here's the thing. The tools available right now are like having a Swiss Army knife that never gets tired. You can automate your market research, generate personalized customer communications at scale, and spot trends before your competition even knows they exist. Picture this. While your rival spends 3 days crafting the perfect email campaign, you've already tested 5 variations, identified the winner, and moved on to the next opportunity. And the best part? Your competitors probably think AI is either too expensive, too complex, or not for their industry. That's your window of opportunity right there. The entrepreneurs who embrace this now
won't just survive 2025, they'll dominate it. While others are catching up to where you started, you'll already be solving tomorrow's problems.